love it hard. The system I beat with, the blessing we need it. No food in a me yard. The system I beat with, the blessing we need it. Yeah, grew up with no father, so we turn gangster. No foundation, so we can't stay strong. We need protection. Cause where we from, we are fit have one, and we are the dead one. Dead one can't trust your woman if you have one. Can't trust a friend, you must be madman. That will leave you sleepless and sad man. Make you eat out a garbage like madman. Education no work for it. I guns, drugs and money. So I gotta do what I do every day to survive. Even if that dream's taking a life, goes another life. Mama feel the pain as she cry. Tears running down mama eyes. And one only son never survive. Ah, the ghetto people cry. The burden we are feel when we can't find food. The ghetto people not eat no more. For the fuckery. Fuck with what we feel, pain what we feel. Jaja, and we are need me. And black people don't need me free. And we know no systematic fuckery. Every day we no talk but we punch. And when we don't we do no power. Ah, the pain what we feel. We no walk past the homeless on street. See the hungry bellies want feed. Every day we no live how we no live. Big ass party. Car up to drive, wife in a first class man. Oh, life must be nice. And them look how we and judge we and we them crucify. Pain, man I feel. Holy Manuel, Selassie. Burn them, burn them, burn them. Cha-cha, burn them. Years we are suffer. Every year things look tougher. Every year the road look rougher. Burn them, Jaja, burn them.